Hey guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Gmail account permanently. So in this case, log into your Gmail first or open in Chrome browser. Then right here, Gmail. Okay, now go to top right corner your profile icon. Then you will find here manage your Google account. Click on this. Then you will find the third option, data and privacy. Just go to data and privacy. Scroll down till you find more option, this one, and then you will find here delete your Google account. Remember that if you delete your Google account, all services including Google, like YouTube or any services which is associated with Google, will be deleted. Okay, so if you want to delete your Google account, go here. Then here you have to put your Google password for the confirmation. Hold on. Okay, now let's try. After giving your password, you will find a prompt like this. It will suggest you to download all of your data before deleting your account. So if you want to download, just go to this link, then scroll down and click on this. Just tick yes and yes. And if you now click on this delete button, all of your Google, this account will be deleted, and including YouTube and all the Google services including this account will be deleted. Okay, so guys, this is how you can delete your Google account. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.